Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to use the bold glamour filter on TikTok. It's an awesome filter and it's going to make you look pretty cool and pretty beautiful. So let's see. What you have to do is try to create some content, and at the bottom of your screen you have the effects next to the record at the left. And now click on the second option, search option. And here we're gonna write bold glamour. As you can see, I have it right now in the first option. And if I select it, it is working right now. I'm going to cancel the music. So that's it. It's pretty easy. You can try it with your own phone and you're gonna see the change that your face is going to have. Obviously, this is a pretty strong effect. Even if you place your hand in front of your face, this is not gonna be hide, and it is not so extreme like other filters that completely change your face. It's just like a little touch. And that's it. That's how you can apply the bold glamour effect on your TikTok.